Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Miss Afshin from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College. Today, for this lecture, you need some necessary items: maths textbooks, new countdown, third edition, maths notebooks, and your stationery items. This is lecture 5 for class 4. In this lecture, we solve some real life story sums from chapter 1, whole numbers and operations. Topic is multiplication and division. Exercise 1C, page number 19, question number 1 and 5. These are the journal rules to solve a real life story sums. You should keep these in your mind. Circle the number, underline the question, box the keywords, evaluate what operation should I use: multiplication, addition, subtraction, or division. And in the last, solve and check what you are solving. The first real life story sum is about multiplication. Now we will start the first question, that is a leaking tap wastes 3750 ml of water in 1 hour. How much water will be wasted in a day? First of all, you can underline the statements, important points. Waste 3750 ml of water in 1 hour. 3750 is the wastage of water in 1 hour. So the first statement is water leaks in 1 hour is equals to 3750 ml. Now in the second line, notice there is a day. A day means 1 day. So the second statement is number of hours in a day is equals to 24. Now, what we are finding, how much water will be wasted in a day? So, the last and the third statement is water leaks in a day is equals to 3750 multiplied by 24. Now, you can write this sum vertically. 3750 is your multiplicand and 24 is your multiplier. Start multiplication. First, we can multiply the ones digit, that is 4, with our multiplicand. The answer is 15,000. Now you can multiply the second digit, that is 2, with your multiplicand and write the answer by leaving the first place empty, that is the 1 place. Now add these two answers, you will get the real answer, that is 90,000, and you can write your answer statement in the last. Water leaks in a day is equals to 90,000 ml. You must write the unit in your answer. Now we can start our second real life story sum, that is about division, and the question number is question number 5. Now the question number 5 statement is, how many pieces of cloth can be cut from a 1550 meter long cloth if each piece is 25 meter long? In this word problem, first you notice what is the total length of the cloth. That is 1550 meters. So the first statement is total length of cloth is equals to 1550 meters. In the second line, there is another information for you, that is each piece is 25 meters long. So the second statement is length of each piece, that is equals to 25 meters. Now what you are finding? How many pieces of clothes can be cut? And this is your third statement. Number of pieces cut is equals to total length of cloth divided by length of each piece. It means 1550 is divided by 25. You can write it vertically and start doing your division. You can check the table of 25 and you can got 25 6 are 150. So the first step 25 6 are 150. You can write it below 155. After subtracting, you got 5. 0 comes down by the division rule from your dividend. The next digit you have is the next number you have is 50. Now 25 table, 25 twos are 50. You can write 50 below the 50 and do your subtraction. The remainder is 0. This is your complete division. Now in the last, you can write the statement of the answer. That is compulsory. Number of pieces cut is equals to 62. Now, practice work. It's time for your practice. The topic is the same multiplication and division, exercise 1C, page number 19, and the same question number 1 and 5. You can practice these two questions on your rough copies. Thank you, students.